Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. As a professional makeup artist, the top question I get is about foundation. In this Kathleen Color Lab series, I will be testing top brand foundations, such as Fenty, Urban Decay, Giorgio Armani, Lancome Dior, and more, to see what they actually look like and how they wear without primer and setting powder. And if you are struggling with how to choose a foundation, check out my video in the notes below. Today I am testing the Studio Skin Foundation from Smashbox. Smashbox is slang for box style camera, and their company was started as a photo studio. But will their foundation go from photo studio to real life? Let's find out. It's the end of the day, and on the Kathleen Color Scale, I give this foundation a 4. The things I like about this foundation are that it has a comfortable natural finish, it blends easily, and is buildable. The things I don't like about this foundation are that it didn't last all day, and it separated on my nose and cheeks. You can remedy this problem with primer and setting powder. The skin type I recommend for this foundation is all skin types. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time when I review another top brand foundation. And remember, life is better in color.